Hey everybody, it's Miss Mans. Today we're going to do a kindergarten math activity and it's called Counting on Cup. The materials that you will need to gather for today is a cup, 2 dice, about 20 counters, and you can use anything that's around your house. If you have 20 of these any small object, that will do. But 20 counters. You will need 0 to 9 number cards. And there is a counting on recording sheet that was also sent to you. Go ahead and pause. Go get all your materials that you will need, and then you'll start again and we'll do the activity together. To begin this, we want to take all of our number cards and place them, I'm going to make a pile, I'm going to place them face down in between the players. What we're going to do is have the first person turn a card over, okay? So, here we have the number 6, and I'm going to take my counters, I'm the first person, and I'm going to put 6 counters inside of the cup. So 1, 2, 3, put the cup here, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 that are inside of the cup. I'll leave it there so you can see it. And then on our recording sheet, we're going to write right here it says in the cup, we're going to write the number 6. See how Miss Mans wrote that number 6? Okay. The next person is going to pick up a card. What's that? A 3. We're going to take this 3 and take these chips, but this time we're going to put them outside of the cup on the ground, right next to the cup. Okay? So I'm not going to put it, here, I'll move that. So we'll have 1, 2, 3. So see, I have 3 chips. 1, 2, 3. Put the 3 right there. 3 are next to the cup on the outside, and 6 are inside of the cup. Now for our 3, if you go to your recording sheet here, it'll say next to the cup, and we have 3 there. So we're going to write the number 3. So you see we have 6 on here for in the cup. Next to the cup, there are 3. This last column, it says in all. So we're going to count how many counters we have inside and outside of the cup. We're going to add them together to find out how many we have in all. The way that Miss Mans likes to do that is I like to count on. All right, so what we're going to do is subbatize our number. Our first, we know we have 6 inside the cup. So we're going to subbatize with the 6 and count on 3 more. And one way that I love to teach my kindergartners to do this is, you see this lower number here? I'm going to put 3 dots, 3 very small dots under the 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So when I count on 6, 7, 8, 9, now I know that I have 9 in all. And if you need, you can use your counters. Take a look. You know you have 6 inside of the cup. There's 6. And then 3 more. So 6, and count on. 7, 8, 9. When I counted my dots and when I counted my chips, I got 9. So with 6 in the cup, 3 next to the cup, I have 9 in all. All right. We're going to shuffle the card and we're going to play again. Here we go. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. All right. Okay, here we go. The first one we're going to take out 5. So we're going to put 5 and say, here, look, 5 are going to go inside the cup. Let's count. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 counters inside the cup. I'll leave that there. And now let's go to our recording sheet. On the recording sheet, it says in the cup. So let's go ahead. We'll see we have a 5. Let's put our 5 on our recording sheet. Got my 5. Let's flip the card and see how many more we will put next to the cup. 3 again. I promise I shuffled the cards. We got a 3 again outside of the cup. So I'm going to put it down and I'll show you. We'll do this again together. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And let's actually, we'll get a different color than this red. Put a yellow. That's tricky to see too. But we have 3. So now we're going to go to our recording sheet. And you see where it says next to the cup? We have 3 again. So let's go ahead and put our 3. And I'm going to put my 3 dots underneath. It helps me to keep track. Okay, so I have the number 3. I've got my 3 dots. I have 5 inside the cup. I have 3 next to the cup. We need to find the in all. So we have to count all of them together. If we start on our recording sheet, we'll start at 5. We're going to subitize 5. We know it. And we will count on 3 more. So let's subitize 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check. We're going to double check our answer. Take a look. You know we have 5. That's what we're going to subitize. So 5, and we're going to subitize 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 again. So on our recording sheet, where we had 5 in the cup, 3 next to the cup, we're going to write an 8 for in all. Because 5 and 3 more is 8. All right. I'm going to get the cards. I'm going to shuffle them really good. See if we get it. Look, real good shuffle. You saw me shuffle them before. I was shuffling. All right. All right, so my cards are face down. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn over this card. 0? What does that mean? If I have 0 in the cup, should I count any counters? No. 0 is the same as none. So there are no counters. 0 is the same as nothing. So I'm going to write on our recording sheet 0 for inside the cup. We should not have any counters inside of the cup. Now we'll flip our card to do the next to the cup. Are you ready? 6. All right, let's put our 6 down. Are you ready? Here we go. Count to 6 with me. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you know what? I'm going to put them in 2 rows of 3. So they look like the dice. So we have 6 next to the cup. Let's get our recording sheet. You ready? We're going to put a 6. And do you remember Miss Mann's? What do I like to put underneath the number? The dots. We're going to put 6 dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I have my 6 dots. We'll start at 0, and we're going to count on 6 more, and we'll do 0 and 6 to see how many we have in all. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 and 6 means I have 6 all together in all. I'm going to record my 6. There's my 6. Now let's double check. 0, and now let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 and 6 is 6. Now we'll try it a different way. Go ahead and mix up the cards. This time, remember that dice? You and your partner are going to use dice. All right. One of you will use the cards, the number cards. The other one will have a dice. We're going to do the same thing, but this time we'll use the dice. So let's get our cup. Here we go. All right. Pick a card, any card. Ready? I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to shuffle them up. Okay. 1. Okay, I'm going to put my 1 inside the cup, just like that. And then I go to my recording sheet. And let's go to the inside the cup. We're going to write a 1. And let's roll the dice. Now, if you have a partner, they can roll. And if it's just you, you can roll. Here we go. I got a 6 again. All right, so I'm going to leave my 6 up, and I'm going to count my 6 counters. We'll go ahead and you can watch Miss Nan's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the 6 on my dice. Now we're going to write our 6 inside our sheet, on our score sheet. So I'm going to put my 6, I'm going to draw my 6 dots just like before. Draw my 6 and my 6 dots. We're going to subitize and count on. Are you ready? So we'll start with the 1, and then we will count on. We will continue to count. That's how we subitize. We group together, and then we keep counting to find out how many are in all. So here we go. Subitize with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 6 more are 7 in all. I'm going to write my 7. And clear. Put the dice over. We'll move that over. Okay. All right, mix them up. Ready? Let's get our cards, dice, the counters. Let's try this again. Here we go. Ooh, 9. That's a big number. I'm excited. That inside the cup. We're going to put 9 in the cup. Are you ready? Let's write our 9 down first. Let's go to our recording sheet. We're going to write down the 9. We have a 9. All right, here we go. And count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 inside the cup. Now we're going to do the next to the cup. We're going to roll for that. You ready to roll? Here we go. Let's roll. 3. Wait a minute. We got 3 before we had 3 again. Okay, here we go. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3. All right. You can watch Miss Mans. And we will do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we can even make them look like the dice. Now that it looks just like the dice. See that? Okay, now we're going to write down our 3. And we'll put our dots because we're going to subitize and count on. And we want something that we can touch. Okay. 9 and 3 more. Are you ready? So 9, and we're going to do 3 more. We'll subitize and count on. We're going to find out how many are all together. So 9, we know we have 9, so let's count on. 9, 10, 11, 12. So I got 12. Let's double check that. before we write it down, we're going to subitize. We know we have 9, so I don't need to recount these. I know there are 9 because I've already counted them. I have the 9 right here. I can see that. So I'm going to subitize. I know it's 9 in all, and I'm going to go ahead and count on 9 and 10, 11, 12. 12 again. So I can write 12 on my recording sheet. Let's play again. All right, I'm shuffling. Okay. Let's put everything back. Here we go. Okay. One. So let's go ahead. We're going to put 1 inside of our cup. All right. 1 lonely chip. All right. Now we're going to roll to count on. Here we go. This time we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Miss Mans's mistake. We need to write that we have 1 on our recording sheet. And while we're at it, we just rolled a 4 that we're going to put next to the cup. So we're going to write a 4, and I'm going to put my dots underneath. So 4 and my dots. Okay. You can watch Miss Mans count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll make it look like the dice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like the 4 on our dice. Okay. We're going to subitize and count on. We'll start with our paper so we can see our numbers. We've got 1, and we're going to count on. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count all of our chips together. We're going to subitize. We know we have 1. Now let's go ahead and add. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. All right, let's go ahead and record. All right. I'm going to go ahead and move on. And ideally what you would do is keep going until you have used all of the numbers and the different combinations for adding and counting once you've gone through all your cards. And then with that, thank you so much for playing Counting on Cup with me with Miss Mans for our kindergarten math activity. And I will have another activity for you tomorrow, so go ahead and look for that. Thank you so much.